So today's topic is determination of bleeding time and clotting time. For this we will take lancet, stopwatch, glass capillary tube, and white filter paper. First of all, in this experiment we will get a finger prick under sterile condition, and we will make sure that the puncture is deep enough, about 3 to 4 mm, to ensure free flow of blood without squeezing. We will immediately start the stopwatch and note the time. The time of puncture of the finger is referred as 0 time. 30 seconds later, escaping blood is dried on the edge of a clean piece of filter paper. We will repeat the procedure every 30 seconds using a fresh area of the filter paper on each occasion until bleeding ceases and no further blood spot appear on the filter paper. Therefore, each blot of blood on the filter paper represents 30-second flow of blood. In this experiment, the bleeding time is 1.5 minutes. Usually, the normal bleeding time by this method is 2 to 6 minutes. Now we will determine the clotting time. For this, we will get a finger prick under sterile condition, and we will make sure that the puncture is deep enough, about 3 to 4 mm, to ensure free flow of blood without squeezing. We will immediately start the stopwatch and note the time, and the time of puncture of the finger is considered as 0 time. When a last drop of blood has collected, introduce the end of the capillary tube into the drop, holding the tube such that its other end is at lower level. Blood flows rapidly into the capillary tube. Hold the capillary tube filled with blood in the palm of the hand so as to give it body temperature. At the end of 1 minute, break off about 1 cm of the tube from one end and notice if a thread of fibrin connects the broken ends of the tube. If there is no fibrin thread, repeat the procedure every 30 seconds till a fibrin thread appears. The appearance of fibrin thread is about 5 mm length indicates that the blood has clotted. The total time taken from the time of puncture, that is considered as 0 time, till the formation of a fibrin thread is the clotting time. Normal value of clotting time by this method is 3 to 8 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius temperature.